First, AI got a brain. Then we gave it a mouse. That was the mistake.
Most browser agents still watch the screen, wait for buttons, and click around like drunk interns. It looks magical for 5 seconds. Agents are not humans, so we stopped building ours that way. Pluno can take action across websites without clicking through the interface.
Instead, it directly makes API calls to the background. And because it already understands workflows across more than 50,000 web apps, it is up to 10 times faster. You just ask. It gets done. Pluno can craft a rescue plan for a deal at risk in HubSpot. Create a new dashboard in Datadac. Export conference leads and turn them into sales voice opportunities. Fill out forms in seconds, and so much more. Supported across 50,000 web apps.
We built the browser agent we wanted to use. Try it now at pluno.ai/browser.